Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question we have October 2020 variant 12. Okay. And we have to do this question number 10. Topic is integration and differentiation. So first of all, for 6 marks, we'll go for differentiation and integration. So A part. So what the question is, this we can see here, curve equation given, but we can't differentiate unless you bring in the numerator. So I'm writing 2 times 2, 3 minus 2x to power -2. And negative x already we have in the numerator. So let's start differentiation. So dy over dx, and all of you know what is basic criteria. Power comes and multiply with that number and then reduce. So -2 into 2 become 4, -4. And power reduced by 1. So reducing means 1 less. So becomes -3. So power becomes -3. Times 2, the base differentiation. And what is the base differentiation? 3 has 0, negative sign, and 2 has 2. So 2 has 2. That's it. And this is a 1 part done. What about negative x? So it becomes -1. So we have, because x differentiation is 1, is a very clear. After this, what to do? You have to just rearrange. This is -2 and -4 become +8. So 8 divided by this power. So it becomes 3 minus 2x to power 3. And -1 is separate we have. So first derivative is done. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Okay. He's asking for second differentiation. So again it will go up and we can go for second derivative. So second derivative before I start. So this is my one task is over. Second task, I will bring again, although I can save my time, I can, before bringing down, I can write as it is. So -3 and -1. So what is second derivative? d2y over dx2. So this power comes down and multiply, and it becomes -24. And power reducing means what? -3, -1, it gives us -4. So this base remains same, copy as it is, full as it is, times 2, the derivative of the base. So 3 has 0, 2 has 2, and this one derivative is 0. So we got it, this one, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. The idea is very clear. So after this, what I will do, last shape, I have to convert it of this question. This -2 into negative 44 becomes 48 positive. And this power -4 goes in denominator, turn to be positive. 3 minus 2x, 2 power become positive. And this is my final answer for the part number 2. So we have done first derivative, second derivative. Let's go for integration now. So what is integration? Basic criteria. So let's start integration. 2 over 3 minus 2x to power 2 -x dx. And what is basic way? First of all, as you know, we have to bring it in numerator. Same here. We have to bring in numerator before start integration. And what is the criteria? Basic. Increase of here, decrease the power, like -1. Here add the power. So 3 minus 2x, power add means -2 plus 1 become -1. So same, and divide by same that thing. Here you multiply, here you divide. So idea is very, very clear. So and times 2. Here base derivative multiply of the base derivative. Here base derivative is dividing. So what is base derivative? 3 has 0 and 2x have -2 will come in the numerator. And integration of x is very clear, x square by 2. Why, sir? Because power is not mentioned, power 1, so 2 by 2. And plus c, we must write. Just simplification, 2 to cancel out, and negative into negative become plus, and then I make the power positive just by bringing in denominator. That's it. So this question, I think, completely over. Alhamdulillah. So A part is 6 marks you have achieved. So yes, students, first A part is over, and I switch over the page. This first page we have differentiation, second and integration, and I have finished. And now I'm going for the next page. So let's go for the next page. And next page, he's asking two things. First, he's asking here mid at the point of x coordinate. If you look at the back diagram, so M is a point of minima. You can see even point of minima. So whenever you need state, this is called turning point. The curve turns. So whenever you need destination point, we always have to put derivative equals to 0. You ask why 0? Because at turning point, the line tangent is parallel to x-axis, and parallel to x-axis, its gradient always 0. And gradient means dy over dx always 0. So that is why, what is my plan of action? I will put derivative equals to 0 for getting the m coordinate. So I can get m coordinate another way even. How come, sir? Can I put y0 here because it's touching the x-axis? But he given us minimum point. So I think it's better to use it this one. So I will go for that. So let's see. And first derivative we have already here. You can see first derivative. I will put derivative 0. Second derivative not required. So I'm erasing the second derivative. And I think I can continue from here. And I can finish my question easily from here. Okay. So I'm keeping this answer here. According to plan, this is the part number C I'm going to do now. Sorry, B. So I'm putting derivative 0. As I put derivative 0, rest is complete algebra. 1 will come on the left hand side. It become 1 is equals to 8 over 3 minus 2x to power 3. Cross multiply 3 minus 2x whole power 3 is equals to 8. Cube will go on the other end, become cube root, and all of you familiar, cube root of 8 give you 2. Like if you type in calculator this way, it give you 2. That's okay. Clear. So it means it's come 2, and now this 2x go on the right hand side, or it come 2x is equals to 1. Ultimately, I got x is equals to half. So I got the x coordinate, and he was asking find out the x coordinate of m. So which I have done. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Okay. So now to this, what is the next part? Next part is very clear. Is asking shaded area between the curve and coordinate axis. A question comes in your mind. What is coordinate axis? Let's come back. I just show you what he's asking for. So this is called x-axis. This is called y-axis. Both are called coordinate axis and the curve. So this shaded part you can see in the middle of that is our required plan. A question comes in mind, how to find it, sir? So naturally, what is technique? Integrate the curve with a starting limit 0, ending at half. Well, how you know, sir? Because this x value is half given and is a criteria. What is the criteria? Just to give again example. Is a curve I need to find 1 till 2. So this area, how to get it? The lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2 in this question. But in our particular this question, what to do? What is the lower and what is the upper limit that we want to need? So here x is 0 and here x is half. So it means x is 0 and x is half. Let's start. So this answer we have already. I will just put an extra part here. So I will not waste my time. Simply shaded area is the limit 1 over, actually we have to do what? Here 0, here half. Below is 0, above is half. And I have no need to work out again for it. No need to waste your time. And no need to write C this time. So lower is 0, upper is a half. Now you know very well what is method to put. First you put half throughout the question. So when I put half here, so half and 2 cancel. When I put half here, so half of square give 1, 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 by 8. So this is called upper limit. Now put 0, 0 place of this one, I got 1 by 3. When I put 0, it turned to be 0. I think all of you understand it's nothing hard at all up till here. Now I will just simplify and I will get the answer for it. And let's see how we can find it. This is a 1 over 2, 1 over 8, and minus 1 over 3. So it's just a matter of typing in calculator, or why you waste over time? So just a matter of typing in calculator. So answer is coming, if you can see here, 1 divided by 2, minus 1 divided by 8, and minus 1 divided by 3. So answer is coming in fraction 1 by 24, unit area, unit square. So I hope so you got the idea very well.